Have you ever wondered how you can make money online in the easiest way possible? Well, on today's video, I am going to talk about the new way to make money online with artificial intelligence. On today's video, our mainly focus is how to make money online with the help of AI in 2024. These three methods I am going to be mentioning on today's video are beginners friendly and they are completely free. Let's quickly check how much AI has generated in the last 4 years. I am going to go to Google and search for 2020 to 2024 AI generated revenue. Okay, so it says global spending on artificial intelligence AI is forecast to double over the next 4 years, going from $50 billion in 2020 to more than $110 billion in 2024. So let's quickly check the statistics. Okay, so I'll just scroll down. So this is it. As you can see, there is an hike and the market keeps expanding. So in 2020, it is going to expand to $1.8 trillion. So if you missed the opportunity of a decade ago when social media, Instagram was the hot cake, people that were able to take advantage of Instagram 10 years ago, for example, the Kardashians family, they are able to make everlasting income from it. So now is the time of artificial intelligence. If you are ready to be one step ahead, take advantage of artificial intelligence now. I promise you'll be able to look back in 10 years time and be like, Rookie Rich, thank you for this video. So I want you to follow these three methods that I'm going to be talking about, and trust me, you'll be able to capitalize, make it your permanent business, and you'll be able to earn passive income from it. So the name of the AI tool we are going to be using to make money in 3 different methods on today's video is Rask AI. For those of you that are not familiar with how Rask AI works, it is a beginner friendly and completely free AI tool that allows you to translate videos into over 130 languages with artificial intelligence. So you can translate videos to British, Albania, Arabic, Egypt, German, Russia, Bulgarian, and so on. So after signing up, you'll be able to see all these Rask AI features on your dashboard. So if I click on these 2 sections, it's going to bring out different ways you can earn money on the platform. You can transcribe YouTube videos, video to text, text to speech, and so on. Let me show you an example of how you can translate on this platform. And after explaining this, I'll show you 3 different ways you can make money on the platform. So you want to sign up as an affiliate, you can sign up with your Google account or your email and password. So you will receive a code, whichever way, just input the code and sign in. It will bring you right to this page where you'll be able to upload a video or audio file for translation. You can drag and drop the file or paste a YouTube link. So let's say, for instance, I want to translate a video. So I'll just go to YouTube, search for that video, take the video's link and paste the link right here. Next, you can name the video link anything that you like. You can name it the video's title or anything. So this is asking for how many speakers is in the video, so just leave it as auto detect. So further down, it will ask for the original language of the video. You can select it manually or leave it on auto detect once again, and the AI will recognize the language automatically. After this, you will select the target language for translation. So this is the language I want to translate the video to. So you find a range of options up to 130 different languages. You can translate it into languages like German, Spanish, French, Hindi, Italian, Polish, and so on. In this case, I am selecting Italian. Then simply hit translate. This video will be automatically translated into your chosen language. I am selecting Italian. You can select anything that you want. So it won't take more than 60 seconds for your video to be translated and ready to go. So the video is currently processing and generating, and this process does not take time at all. So it has accurately translated my video from English audio to Italian. Make it easily accessible to Italian audience, because that is the audience that I'm trying to target on today's video. Now, to answer your most important and burning question, now Rookie, how do I make money from this? I'm going to be mentioning 3 methods, and you can choose any one that you want depending on your skill and what works best for you. So the first method to make money with Rask AI is Fiverr. For those of you that are not familiar with how Fiverr works, it is a platform where you offer freelance services to people that need it and you get paid hourly. Now with Fiverr, you can make money in 36 different ways, but on today's video, we are going to go with this third way, the third option, which is transcription service. So you'll be able to make $100 to $200 per task. So you want to go to fiverr.com, sign in and search for video transcription. Then you will find many freelancers offering this video transcription service. They have different prices based on what they offer. For example, one freelancer specializes in adding subtitles in Arabic and English. They charge $5 for basic service. For a standard package is charging around $30, and for premium package is charging up to $60 for this service. So its price goes up from $30 to $60 depending on how extensive the customer wants the service to be. There are sellers with 1,271 reviews indicating strong demand and active buyers. So if you're interested in making money with Rask AI, this is one of the easiest way to make money with Rask AI. So that brings me right into the second highest paying method you can use to monetize Rask AI, and this method pays more than freelancing on Fiverr. But the three methods I am going to be mentioning on today's video pay really well, just depending on what suits you best. What you want to do is to visit Rask AI website and scroll down to become an affiliate. All you are doing as an affiliate is placing your affiliate link in front of the right audience who came on the internet to search for information based on that particular product or services. So after signing up as an affiliate, it will bring you to this page that says welcome to Rask AI affiliate program. The simple 3 steps process you need to know as an affiliate involve registering, creating content, and any recurring commissions. So for every customer who click on your link and purchase a plan, they are going to earn something called affiliate commission. So for instance, referring 2 people could earn you up to $670, while 5 people could earn you $1,677. And some skilled affiliate marketers could even make over $3,000 by referring just 10 customers to the platform. Many people promote Rask AI by creating simple videos on their social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. So this is not like something that requires too much effort, and they can promote Rask AI without having the need to show their faces. So if you're someone that does not want to compromise your privacy, then you don't have to show your face. Yeah, so all you have to do is just to put your affiliate link in front of the right audience and market yourself on social media platforms. But if you feel like you don't have much time to put into that, then you should consider the third and the last method, which pay way higher but requires less effort. To maximize your earnings with Rask AI, consider using the power of YouTube content creation. So what you are doing on this third method is to reach out to YouTubers that are actually speaking with a specific language and offer to translate their video for them from one language to another. Nobody's going to reject this offer because that means that they are making more money and you are making more money too. It's a win-win on both ends. So take for example a YouTuber who focuses on finance, sharing valuable insights on making money through platforms like Shopify and affiliate marketing. If the creator already has an Italian channel, then you can propose to translate their videos from Italian to Spanish to broaden their audience and make more money from it. Many YouTubers are business minded. Take it from me, they're always looking for ways to expand how they can make money. So the chances that they are going to reject this offer is very slim. So you can make use of ChatGPT to generate you a pitch that you can use to reach out to these YouTubers. So for you to be able to get their contact, you want to head over to their YouTube channel. Any YouTuber that you enjoy their content, just go over to their channel, and most times they usually have their link on their channel. So if you click here where it says more link, you will see their email. So if you want to reach out to them through that, let them know that you see their channel and they are doing a very good job and you love their content. Some might want to work with you, some might not want to work with you, but at least if you message 10 YouTubers, there are high chances that at least one is going to work with you. So just negotiate your fee, let them know your cost per hour or per month or per video, whatever it is. Just come to a good agreement and make sure that you are charging your time worth. Okay, so sign up for Rask AI and begin approaching these YouTubers. Consider reaching up to 10 to 20 YouTubers daily to generate passive income. So this is one of the most effective ways to earn money with the help of artificial intelligence, and you don't even have to have any skill, you don't have to have any certificate, you don't have to go for interviews. This is like the best freelance that you can do from your home and earn money like a business. So yeah, that brings us right into the end of today's video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share this video to anyone that needs to see this video, because this will not only benefit them, it also strengthens your relationship with them. And subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. So yeah, bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I wish you guys good luck on any of these 3 ways to make money online with artificial intelligence that I just mentioned. So it is already in our faces. You don't want to shy away from it. Instead, you want to take advantage of it and monetize it for as long as you can.